Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard Sign Up and how to start your ClickGuard experience now. Your conversion rate is an essential metric to help you measure how well your ad campaigns are performing. It's a great day when your conversion rate is up, but if it's trending downward, you've got some work to do on your marketing campaigns. Sign up with ClickGuard now and be ready for a bigger conversion rate coming your way. ClickGuard's unique approach and highly customizable technology creates a multitude of benefits for Google Ads clients. Stop click fraud. Eliminate fraud and all wasteful clicks from your Google Ads. Get better leads. Target leads that are more likely to convert with real-time optimization. Boost conversions. Get your ads in front of the right people who are likely to convert. Improve profitability. Maximize campaign ROI with intent optimization rules. ClickGuard is the leader in Google Ads click fraud protection. Maximize your business growth and optimize your Google Ads account with our unparalleled ability to identify and eliminate wasteful clicks on your campaigns. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyzes every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.